Hello, Symposiast. I'm Dr. Angela Puca, Religious Studies PhD and University Lecturer. And as you know, Angela Symposium is your online resource for the academic study of magic, esotericism, paganism, shamanism, and all things occult. Now, I am making this video because recently I've had a dip in my patron support, and I wanted to express to you how much your support means to me. As you guys know, I work at the university and I do research, and I work outside of the university by delivering this scholarly content on social media and publicly free for everybody to to get educated from, hopefully. So your support really allows me to do all of that. As you can imagine, it is very difficult to get institutional support when you have this kind of job and you work on esoteric topics. Is not exactly something that's easy to get funding for. And at the moment, what my patrons are doing are not only to support this project of free academic scholarship and education in topics in esotericism and paganism, but also funding my fieldwork, my book project that is gonna be published next year, and the research that I'm doing for my online course. So any kind of financial support that you give to me is going to help me do the job that I do, which is something that I cannot. Unfortunately, I cannot rely on institutions to fund or fund enough. So I suppose that I'm coming here to ask you guys to, if you can afford it at all, to join my Patreon community. I usually hope that people join primarily to support my work, but there are also some perks that come with different tiers. Like at the lowest tier, which is less than a coffee per month, £2 per month, you get access to my Discord server and to monthly Zoom gatherings with me and my community so that you can ask your questions or have a chat. And with £5 a month, which is really not that much either, you get also the curated transcripts of all my videos. And with at £10 per month, you get the priority access, sometimes even weeks in advance, to all my videos. And at £15, you get access, you become a Magus, and you get access to the Magus lectures, which are monthly lectures that I give on Zoom to my community on primary sources. And my community is also incredible. You know, it's all bright individuals, academically minded, sometimes practitioners, sometimes not. So there's a nice variety and a very welcoming community. And then at higher tiers than Patreon, you get more direct access to me with one-to-one conversations or tutoring or lectures. Also, I have 2 online courses, one on the Left-Hand Path and one on Italian witchcraft, which is currently ongoing in a live version. The Left-Hand Path course is in recorded versions, but you also get access to a Q&A session with me. Everything is on my website, drangelapuca.com, so you find all the information there. And also you can support me with donations on PayPal, super thanking me in the comments, joining YouTube membership. So there are lots of ways to support me if you wish to do so and if you can do so. So yeah, I suppose that I'm coming here to ask you guys for help. I'm recording this at Lunasa, the 1st of August, and where pagans reflect on the harvest and give their thanks to all the things they have received in the past season. And I have to say, I am incredibly thankful for all of you who have supported me in the past, who are supporting me in the present, and will support me in the future. So I hope that you decide to be one of those and help out this project to stay alive and to thrive. Thank you so much, and I really hope that you stay tuned for all the academic fun, which is brought to you by you. So thank you.